Yes, Rupa, am I audible? Okay, fine. So in the combined class, in the whole class, we have completed up to median, up to discrete series, right? Yes, Vansh. Continuous series. Rupa, I think that is pending in the whole class. That is done only in your tutorial group, but in the class it is pending. So firstly, we will do one question for median and then we will move to mode. Okay, please write down question. Find out median. Yes, write down question. Find out median for the following data. For the following data, write down age group is given and second frequency is given. Age group is 5 to 14, 15 to 24, 25 to 34, 35 to 44, 45 to 54, 55 to 64, and 64 to 74. Write down the frequency values. First value is 447. Second value is 307. Third value is 279. Next value is 220. Next is 157. 91. And last value is 39. Right? So this is a question for continuous series, but the given data is in the inclusive form. So firstly convert it into the exclusive form and then we use the formula to calculate median. Yes, please start solution. Class intervals are. So subtract 0.5 from the lower limit. Ravi, in the statement just it is written that calculate the median for the following data. It's okay, Rupa, if we have done it in the whole class, but I think that question is pending, right? देखो ये वाला क्वेश्चन तो नहीं सॉल्व किया हुआ ना वापस पे. Okay, fine. Solve this question. After that, we will start next topic mode, and we will do more questions in your tutorial lectures. Firstly, convert the inclusive data into exclusive data. So 5 to 14, it will be, now it will be 4.5 to 14.5. Next is 14.5 to 24.5, 24.5 to 34.5, write down up to 74.5. Next is 34 to 44, then 44 to 55, 55 to, sorry, 54, 54.5 to 64.5, then 64 to 74.5. In the second column, write down the frequency values. Just write down it as it. Now here it is given that these are the frequencies. So no need of confusion. These are the frequency values. 279, 220, 157, 91 and 39. So firstly calculate what is n, and here we are solving the question for median. So in each and every question of median we need to calculate the cumulative frequency. It is 1540. Yes, all of you please check. Bharat is getting this is equal to 1540. Is it correct? Okay, fine. Thank you. Next, calculate cumulative frequency. First value 447, then add 447 plus 307, 754. 7 into 7 plus 7. Yes, 754. Write down all the values in third column. 754 plus 279. It is 1033. Next value is 3521. Next value is 1410. Next is 1051. And next value is, yes, please match the last column. Are you getting the same values? Yes, Prikshit. Your last cumulative frequency, it must be equal to the total sum of all the frequencies, 1540. Always remember, the last cumulative frequency is always equal to the total sum of all the frequencies. Yes, Arvind, done up to here? Arika Prabha, Aman, Ajay, Avnish, Gokul, Gobind, Girish, Garima, Devinder, Pallavi. Tushar, in the last interval, it is 64 to 74 in the statement. 65, sorry. Yes, right. It is 65 here. Okay, done up to here. So in the continuous series, firstly, we will calculate size of n by 2th item. N by 2th item. N is 1540, so it is equal to size of 1540 divided by 2th item. Calculate this value. It is equal to 770. 770. Okay, fine. Now check in the third column, C dot F. Either find the value which is equal to 770 or which is next higher to 770. Which one is the next higher value? C dot F next higher to 770 is 1033. Yes, Santosh, right? That is the class. So now select this row. Select this row. So here write down it is 33. The median class is the median class is 24.5 to 34.5. Yes, class, done up to here. So now we will apply the formula. M is equal to L plus N by 2 minus C dot F divided by F into H. So write down all the values that we need in the formula. Yes, what is L? L is the lower limit of the median class. L is equal to 24.5. What is N? Write down all the values. Parikshit, no need to check that, just apply the formula. Just use only one formula for median, that is by using L only. L is equal to 24.5. N is already given 1540. Next, cumulative frequency. We need to consider the cumulative frequency that is above on that value, 754. And what is frequency? Frequency of that class, it is 279. Only C is pending, C or H. H is the interval of your width of your median class. It is equal to 10. Yes, all of you please check these values. If any confusion, then please ask. Now you have to use these values in the formula and then we will calculate median. Done up to here? Yes, better done up to here. Should I erase all this? Yes, Bharat, your answer is right. Okay, after that, write down the formula. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus C dot F divided by F multiplied by H. Substitute all the values. L is your lower limit. N by 2 you have already calculated. C dot F is the cumulative frequency. F is the frequency of the class. Multiply H. H is the width of class interval. Yes, Anstosh, right. No, Ashika, C dot F, you just have to take C dot F that is above on the median class. C dot F आपने जो median class की cumulative frequency है उसके ऊपर वाली लेनी है. इसकी cumulative frequency 1033, इसके ऊपर वाली कौन सी है? 754. ठीक है, already formula में check आपने लिखा हुआ है. और frequency उसी class की लेनी है. Yes, Rupa, right. 25.073. That is the correct answer. Yes, Tushar, good. Yes, Aryan, Ashwini, Arika Prabha, I need the answer from all of you. Why only few students are solving the question? You are also attending the same class, na? Yes, Anuj. Yes, Rohit, right. Govind. For unit 1, you have to prepare the notes by yourself. No teacher have the notes of unit 1. There's Joy, Harsh, Harmanjot. Okay, fine. Now move to the next question. So median is completed. I think in one or two group we have already done more examples of median. If any group is pending, then we will do more examples of median in your tutorial lecture. Now write down the next topic, that is mode. Next topic is mode. So as we have discussed in the first lecture, measures of center tendency divided into two parts. One is mathematical measures and second is positional measures. Under mathematical measures, we have completed arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. And under positional, mean, median, and mode is there. So median is done. Now next is mode. Mode is that value. Yes, please write down. Mode is that value which occurs most frequently, which occurs more frequently than any other value, in a set of observations, in a set of observations. It is a point of maximum frequency. It is a point of maximum frequency. In other words, mode is that value which have maximum frequency For example, mode of the series 3, 5, 8, 5, 4, 5, 9, 3 is 5. I think from the definition now it is clear. What is mode? Suppose you have a data. If any value is repeated more times as comparison to the other values, then that is the mode. Like in this series, you can see 3, 5, 8, 5, 4, 9, 3. 3. How many times 3 is there in this series? Yes, how many times 3 is there in this series? Only 3 times. 3 times or 2 times? So the frequency it is right. Next, take 5. How many times 5 is there? 5 is 3 times. Yes, 5 is there 3 times. So 9 is only 1 times, 8 is only 1 time, 4 is only 1 time. So the maximum frequency or the number that is occurring maximum number of times in a given series, that is the mode. So mode for this series is 5. Clear? Similarly, if discrete data is given with the values of x and f, then mode is that value which have the maximum frequency. Suppose here data is given 5, 8, 9, 10. 5 frequency, its frequency is 7. Then next frequency is 9. Its frequency is 6. Then its frequency is 12. Then the number which have the maximum frequency, that is mode. Gokul, I am again repeating. If individual series is there, individual series like this, then you have to check there which number is there which is occurring maximum number of times. जैसे 3 है, 3 कितनी बार आ रहा है? 2 बार ही आ रहा है सीरीज में. 5 कितने टाइम रिपीट हो रहा है? 3 टाइम्स. 8 कितने टाइम आ रहा है? Only 1 time. 9 only 1 time. 4 only 1 time. So 5 is occurring in this series 3 times. So the number which is occurring maximum number of times in an individual series, that is your mode. Mode is equal to 5. Similarly, if the frequency is given, then just look at the maximum frequency. Maximum frequency is 12. So the number that is in front of that maximum frequency. Frequency का मतलब क्या होता है कि ये जो 10 है, this is repeated 12 times. 9 is repeated 6 times. 8 is repeated 9 times. 5 is repeated 7 times. So the number which have the maximum frequency, that is equal to mode. Like here in this example, 10 is the mode. Yes, right. Clear? Yes, students, is it clear to all of you? If anybody have any doubt, then please ask. Okay, after that, write down the formulas, how to calculate mode. Next item, determination of mode. Firstly, write down, in case of individual series, so in individual series we have already discussed. In case of individual series, mode is that value of x. Mode is that value of x which occurs maximum times. Which occurs maximum number of times. Number one. Number two, yes, any doubt in first point? I think it's clear to all of you. In case of individual series, mode is that value which occurs maximum number of times. Number two, in discrete series, yes, please write down. In case of discrete series, mode is that value of x. Mode is that value of x which corresponds to maximum frequency. So for these two type of series, we have already discussed the example. Yes, I'm again repeating, Ritik. In case of discrete series, mode is that value of x which corresponds to maximum frequency. Yes, done up to here? Now write down number 3, that is important. In case of grouped data, means when class intervals are there. In case of grouped data, mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F0 multiplied by H. Yes, please write down this formula. L plus Bharat, case number 3 is same, that is for continuous series. Mode is equal to L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F0 multiply H. Where, after this formula, write down where L is equal to, yes please, after this formula, write down L is equal to lower limit of the model class. Lower limit of the model class. Like median class, here firstly we will find a model class. L is the lower limit of the model class. FM, it is the frequency of the model class. Frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. Next, F naught, F0 or F naught. It is equal to frequency of the class. Frequency of class preceding the model class. CEDING, preceding the model class. I'm again repeating, F naught is equal to frequency of class preceding the model class. Next is F1, frequency of class succeeding the model class. SUCCEEDING, succeeding the model class. जो FM है वो आपके मॉडल क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी, जो F नॉड है उसके नीचे वाली क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी और F1 उसके ऊपर वाली क्लास की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी. एंड H इज इक्वल टू, आफ्टर F1 राइट डाउन H इज इक्वल टू इट इज width of the model class. Yes, is it done? I'm again repeating, L is the lower limit of model class, FM is the frequency of model class, F naught is the frequency of class preceding the model class, F1 is the frequency of class succeeding the model class, and H is the width of the model class. Yes, students, done up to here? Yes, all of you, please complete it up to here on your notebooks. Ashutosh, do you know about the formula? F naught is the frequency of class preceding the model class. PRECEDING, preceding the model class. रवि, हमने क्या लिखा है? प्रीसीडिंग लिखा है F नॉट को और सक्सीडिंग लिखा है F1 को. सपोज मॉडल क्लास इज 30 to 40, उसके सामने FM है, ठीक है. जो उसके ऊपर वाला है उसको हमें F1 देना है, नीचे वाला F नॉट देना है. तो F1 आपका होना चाहिए, यस, F1 प्रीसीडिंग होना चाहिए. हमने यहाँ क्या लिखा है? प्रीसीडिंग को आप बिफोर लेते हो ना, सक्सीडिंग को आफ्टर लेते हो. Yes, Rupa. Okay, so we will do the changes here. If these are just the names for the variables, so you can interchange it if you want. If f नॉट, लेकिन हमें fm के बाद वाली वैल्यू लेनी है और f1 हम ऊपर वाला कंसीडर करेंगे। जब क्वेश्चंस करोगे ना न्यूमेरिकल, तो जो ऊपर वाली वैल्यू है वो f1 लेंगे और जो नीचे वाली वैल्यू है उसको f नॉट लेंगे। तो यहाँ पे चेंजेस कर लो, f नॉट में आपका सक्सीडिंग आ जाएगा और f1 में आपका प्रोसीडिंग आ जाएगा। गोकुल क्लियर? This is just to write down the formula. Otherwise, I will tell you in the numerical question which one is f1 and which one is f naught. But at the time of exam, you need to revise all the formulas. So that's why we are writing here in the detail. Please do the changes. F naught in front of f naught. Here write down succeeding and f1 is proceeding. Okay, now write down example number 1. Example number 1. Calculate the mode for from the following series. Calculate the mode from the following series. 16, 18, 22, 16, 15, again 16, 22, 14, 10, 11, 16. Yes, tell me what is mode. $16, yes, right. Because in this series, 16 is here 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times, 4 times. So 16 occurs maximum number of times in this series. So that's why mode is equal to 16. Question number 2. That is a question from discrete series in which frequency is given. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, then 48. Frequency values are given 9, 11, 25, 16, 9, 10, 6, 3. Yes, mode is equal to 18. So I think it's very easy in case of individual series and in case of discrete series. Clear? Write down question number 3. Yes, done up to here. Should I erase question number 1 and 2? Okay, question number 3. Calculate the mode. Daily wages are given in first column. In second column, number of workers. Daily wages are from 0 to 5. Here write down it is 0 to 5. 5 to write down up to 50. But listen, just wait. 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, then 10 to 20. Class intervals are unequal. It is 5 to 10, then 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. Yes, please write down these intervals. The given intervals are unequal, but no need to make them equal. Number of workers. First value is 4. Number of workers whose wages are between 0 to 5. Next value is 5, 12, 16, 8, 3, 2. Yes, what is the maximum frequency? Maximum frequency is 16. So select that row. It will give you a model class, right? Yes, 20 to 30 your model class. You can write down here maximum frequency is equal to 16. So model class is from 20 to 30. So this is your FM, right? This is your F1 and this is your F0. So now write down here L is 20, FM is 16, F1 is 12, F0 is 8, and H, width of the model class, 20 to 30. Its width is 10. Class intervals are unequal. So just write down the class interval. Now apply the formula. Yes, sir. Value. Mode is equal to L plus, I'm directly applying the formula. All of you can write down the formula firstly, then put the values. Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm. 2Fm minus F1 minus F0 multiplied by H. 20 plus 4 by, it is 12 into 10. 23.33. Yes, right. That is the correct answer. Yes, Harman, right. Prakshit, right. Rupa, Bharat. Yes, Rajat. Yes, Tushar, good. Yes, done up to here. Okay, write down next question. Question number 4. मोड ही निकालना है आपको. Class intervals are given 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, write down up to 59, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59. Then frequency values are 8, 10, 12, 22, 16, last value is 40. Yes, class, hurry up, solve this question. 22, but Prakshit here, firstly, the data is given in the inclusive form. So just arrange in the exclusive form and then apply the formula. Prakshit, clear? Data is given in the inclusive form. क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करना है तो सबसे पहले आपने चेक कर लेना है इस चीज को, मीडियन में भी, मीन में भी और मोड में भी. हरी आप सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज योर मोड फॉर दिस डाटा. So mode is also completed. Now in the tutorials we will do practice for the questions that are related to mean, median, mode. अब आपने क्या करना है, ट्यूट में मैं पूछूंगी एबीसी में, you have to find out, you have to find the results that are related with mean, median, mode. I mean to say, I am giving you a homework. You have to check that what is the relation between mean, median, and mode. all the three values are giving us the average value. Is there any formula in which suppose mean and median is given and we can calculate more? ठीक है, suppose आपका जैसे अभी जो आपका पेपर का पैटर्न है एमएसटी का वो वही वाला है जैसे पहले हुआ था, सेक्शन ए फिर सेक्शन बी सेक्शन सी। सेक्शन बी में पैसेज टाइप क्वेश्चन है, पैसेज टाइप मतलब एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पा दिया, उसके आगे 5 सब क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं। तो अगर सपोज उसमें आपको पूछ लिया फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में व्हाट इज मीन, व्हाट इज मीडियन, व्हाट इज मोड, अगर आपको तीनों कंप्लीट मीडियन मोड हो जाएगा, वैसे भी हो जाएगा, इट्स नॉट लेंथी। But try to find the shortcuts. Is there any formula? If 2 values out of these 3 is given, can we calculate the third one? Super, right? Rajat? Yes, all of you are getting what I want to say. So you have to search it. I will ask from all of you in your tutorial lecture. ये आपका homework है, आपने देखना है। आप PPTs भी देख सकते हो जो अपलोडेड है, कंटेंट में भी चेक कर सकते हो, मे बी इज देयर एनी फॉर्मूला इज अवेलेबल, अदरवाइज आप खुद से भी सर्च कर सकते हो, या तो किसी बुक में से, या नेट से, या यूट्यूब से सर्च करो कि इज देयर एनी शॉर्टकट मेथड इफ मीन मीडियन मोड आउट ऑफ दीज 3 एनी 2 वैल्यूज आर गिवन, कैन बी कंक्लूड द थर्ड वैल्यू, yes or no, right? अच्छा, एक और क्वेश्चन है, जस्ट 4 minutes आर देयर। यस तुषार, आपने फाइंड आउट करना है वो फॉर्मूला विद एनी एग्जांपल, वी विल डिस्कस दैट इन योर ट्यूटोरियल लेक्चर। ठीक है, मैं आपको प्रेजेंटर बनाऊंगी, आप एग्जांपल के साथ वो फॉर्मूला शो करोगे सब स्टूडेंट्स को, बाकियों ने भी ट्राई करना है। ओके, राइट डाउन वन मोर क्वेश्चन दैट इज आल्सो इंपॉर्टेंट। फाइंड द मिसिंग फ्रीक्वेंसीज, find the missing frequencies in the following table. Following table. Yes, write down. On the left hand side, mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Yes, Santosh, this is the formula, but please check that is there any conditions? I mean to say, can we apply this formula in each and every question, or there are some restrictions? ठीक है, चेक करना है, अच्छे से पढ़ना है, इसको अभी बताने की जरूरत नहीं, आपने इसको पढ़ना है अच्छे से, ट्यूटोरियल में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। आंसर इसका, मोहित जो क्वेश्चन अभी दिया था उसका आंसर है 35.75। हाँ, yes, right. Now write down this question in which you have to find the missing frequencies. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Class intervals are this. Frequency 4, 16. Next is F1, F2, F3. 3 frequencies are missing. Next value is 6, then 4. And what is given? It is given total frequency or capital N. It is given 230. Median is given 33.5. And mode is given 34. This question is important. You have to try it. If not solved, then please discuss with me in your tutorial lecture. Three values are missing and 3 values are given. Right? So just complete up to here. Thank you. Thanks to all of you. We will continue in the class lecture. Yes, any question? भरत, आंसर आप इसका आंसर इस देती हूँ, but I don't remember. 60, 40, and I think 100. These are the. I don't remember what is the value for F1 and what is the value for F2 and F3. I think this is the answer for F1, F2, F3. About 2 I'm sure. One is 60 and second is 40. And third you can calculate when two values are there. Just a try, otherwise we will solve the question in your tutorial lecture. Once try this question by yourself. Thank you. Thanks to all of you.